Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Effective Arabic. This is our video series on learning Moroccan Arabic for beginners with lesson 12, which is going to be about at the cafe. I'm gonna teach you how to make your order at the Moroccan cafes just like a true local. Guys, you will definitely surprise the Moroccan waiter. Stay tuned. This lesson consists of two parts. Part 1 is about vocabularies and part 2 is going to be about some very useful conversations. So make sure to watch the video until the end. Let's get started with the first vocabulary. Qahwa, coffee. Qahwa, with letter qaf in the beginning. Qahwa. In the Moroccan cafes, locals order two kinds of coffee, either qahwa kihla or they order nos nos. Those two coffees are very popular in Morocco. So what is qahwa kihla? Qahwa kihla. Qahwa kihla is black coffee in English, which is also the single shot espresso. Moroccans also use the French expression café noir. Café noir. The other one is my favorite, which is nos nos, half half. Nos nos. It's half coffee, half milk, or let's say coffee with milk. Nos nos is traditionally served in a glass, and sometimes the waiter will come with the milk and add the desired amount of coffee in front of you. Nos nos is a unique coffee to Morocco that only locals know about. So if you visit Morocco, be sure to try nos nos and let us know what you think about it. You will not find nos nos and qahwa kihla in the menu. So if you ask for it, you will surprise Moroccans and they will know they can serve you as a local, not as a tourist. Also, depending on the coffee shops and areas you go, you can expect to pay as little as 10 dirhams for a coffee, up to 25 dirhams in the larger coffee shops or towns. Also, you would expect to get a small bottle of water with your coffee included. That's very nice. Now let's go to see another drink. Oh, atay. Who doesn't know Moroccan tea? This is very central to social life in Morocco, and it's consumed throughout the day as a social activity and a sign of hospitality in every Moroccan household. Anyways, if you are at the cafe, you first must tell them if you want green or black tea by saying atay khdar for green tea or atay lipton, which means black tea. But if you're traveling to North Morocco, then you would say atay negro. Atay negro, because Darija in North Morocco is very influenced by Spanish. After this, you can tell them what do you want to add to your tea, such as atay b'na'na, mint tea, atay b'na'na, atay b'na'na. This is the most famous drink that represents Morocco. Another one is atay b'louisa, atay Louisa lemon verbena tea. By the way, Louisa is a flowering plant that offers a sweet lemon flavor to the tea. It's a very popular plant in North Africa as well as South America. It's very healthy and it helps support the digestive system. So if you're feeling sick because of the food, I highly recommend you to drink atay Louisa. Another type of tea you can have is atay bil'ashub. Atay bil'ashub. This is my favorite. It's a group of herbs added to the tea. It's a mixture of mint, lemon verbena, and other seasonable herbs that comes from the mint family. Those herbs are often available in the winter season. Those are the three types of tea that are very popular in Morocco. Just remember to tell the waiter whether you want green tea or black tea. For example, if you want green tea with mint, you would say atay khdar b'na'na'. But if you want to order black tea with lemon verbena, you would say atay lipton b'louisa. Again, atay lipton b'louisa. One more thing to know is, tea in Moroccan cafes is served whether in a long cup like this, which we call kas, or in a small Moroccan teapot like this, which we call in Darija, براد. براد. So if you would like it in a teapot, just say this expression براد ديال أتاي. براد ديال أتاي. براد ديال أتاي. But if you want it in a cup, you can say كاس ديال أتاي. كاس ديال أتاي. كاس ديال أتاي. Moroccans are very well known of adding more sugar to the tea. So if you want your tea without sugar, you can say this expression بلا سكر. بلا سكر, without sugar. And if you want your tea to be less sugar, you can say ناقص سكر. ناقص سكر. Now we're gonna have a look at other drinks that you can order in the Moroccan cafes. Jus d'orange, orange juice. When it comes to orange juice, Moroccans very often use the French expression jus d'orange. Jus d'orange. But there is a Darija way to say it, which is عصير ديال ليمون. عصير ديال ليمون. عصير الليمون. Let's look at another drink. عصير ديال banana juice. عصير ديال عصير ديال or عصير ديال avocado juice. عصير ديال avoka. Another drink is الحليب بالشوكولاتة. Hot chocolate. الحليب بالشوكولاتة. الحليب stands for milk. Chocolate stands for chocolate. So guys, those are basically some of the names of the drinks you're gonna need to know when you go to coffee shops in Morocco. Cafes in Morocco are not just using as a place to drink tea, it's also a place to spend time, meet with friends, watch sports, and relax. You could spend hours there if you want. Some people spend all day. Anyways, now we're gonna move to the second part of this lesson, which we will see a conversation at the cafe between the waiter and three friends who wants to make their order. So let's do it. At first, we're gonna listen to this conversation in real life speed, and after that, we're gonna break down each section separately. Let's get started. مرحبا. السلام عليكم. جيب لي عفاك قهوة كحلة بلا سكر. واخا. Client 2. أنا بغيت أتاي ليبتون بلويزة. بالسكر ولا بلا سكر؟ ناقص السكر. صافي واخا. Client 3. براد ديال التاي خضر بالنعناع. بالسكر؟ زايد السكر. شكرا. Alright, that was real life speed. Now we're gonna break down each section. First conversation. The waiter said, مرحبا. Client 1. سلام عليكم. جيب لي عفاك قهوة كحلة بلا سكر. Waiter. واخا. So first we have the two popular greetings in Morocco. The word marhaba and the expression salamu alaikum. If they sound unfamiliar to you, I have a video for different types of greetings linked in the description below that will explain these two expressions to you and more. But what about the two expressions jibli and afak? Jibli stands for bring me and afak means please. So jibli afak قهوة كحلة, which means black coffee, بلا سكر, which means without sugar. And then the waiter said wacha, which is a confirmation word. It means okay. Now we are gonna move to the second conversation. Client 2. أنا بغيت أتاي ليبتون بلويزة. Waiter. بالسكر ولا بلا سكر؟ Client 2. ناقص السكر. Waiter. واخا. So here in this conversation we have the expression أنا بغيت, which means I would like. Then we have the expression أتاي ليبتون بالويزا, which we already explained in this lesson. It means black tea with lemon verbena. After that, the waiter asked the client if he wants tea with sugar or without sugar. So he said بالسكر, which means with sugar, ولا, which means or, بلا سكر stands for without sugar. Then the client said ناقص السكر, less sugar. The waiter said واخا. Now let's move to conversation 3. Client 3. براد ديال أتاي خضار بالنعناع. Waiter. بالسكر. Client 3. زايد السكر. شكرا. Alright guys, so if you want to sound Moroccan, you can always add more details to your order. So this client asked for a pot of green tea with mint. The client gave a lot of information, but they didn't specify whether they want the tea with sugar or without sugar. That's why the waiter asked the question بالسكر, and the client replied زايد السكر. شكرا. The word زايد means extra. That's it for now. Thank you so much for watching this video lesson. If you think this video is useful, please share it with people who might need it. And if you have any question, please never hesitate to leave it in the comment section below. Until I see you again, goodbye for now. Bislama.